In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for creating and managing standard operating procedures or SOPs in 2025. If you're looking to streamline your processes and ensure everyone is on the same page, using Wrike to manage your SOPs is a great choice. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your workspace within Wrike. This is your central hub of information and where all your projects and folders reside. The workspace is the heart of your operations, providing a comprehensive view of everything on your agenda. Accessing your workspace is an important first step as it lays the foundation for creating and organizing your SOPs effectively. Next, you'll need to create a new folder or project within the workspace. Naming is crucial for clarity. Consider a descriptive title such as Video Team SOPs. This helps not only in organizing your tasks, but also in quickly referencing this project. By giving it a meaningful name, you enable everyone on the team to understand the purpose and contents of the folder without having to dig through its details. Once your folder is set up, it's time to add specific SOP tasks. Think of tasks as the individual components or steps of the SOPs that your team will follow. For instance, you might have Task 1 labeled as the Editing Review SOP and Task 2 as Script Editing. Each task should be clear in its intent to ensure that team members know exactly what's expected of them. Using concrete and consistent naming conventions helps your team to quickly grasp their responsibilities within the SOPs. Now we move on to writing the SOP steps. Each task within your project will have its own detailed step-by-step instructions, which can be entered in the description area. For instance, click on a task to open it up. Then in the description section, jot down everything your team needs to do. Here's an example outline. Start by uploading raw footage to Google Drive, then rename the files properly, and finally add these files to the corresponding Wrike task. Providing detailed, actionable steps ensures that everyone can follow the procedures accurately and consistently. The final step in optimizing your SOP management in Wrike is to share the project with your team. This allows everyone to access the SOPs and collaborate efficiently. Sharing within Wrike is straightforward and keeps everyone on the same page, promoting transparency and collaboration. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective way to use Wrike for managing SOPs in 2025. With these steps, you'll be able to enhance communication, ensure consistency in procedures, and boost overall team productivity. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to follow along for more insightful tutorials.